Hello friends, very good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Talent Traders. Myself Bala here. I welcome you all to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to discuss about that indicator which you are looking for average daily range, and that we are going to planning to create in charting. So let me try to create, and also we completed that one, and how this trade is working today, and based on the concept I'm just looking for today, and I'm watching and one trade which I taken for my clients, so that was working good. That is also I'm going to discuss in this video. And the stock which I have selected some three is about Manappuram is the one, and second one which I'm choosing is this. This changed. So Manappuram is the one which I've looked for today. Think of which. Yeah, Manappuram, which I'm looking at today. It was in the first candle itself. It is triggered and closed about to that particular level, ADR 10 and ADR 5, both the level. So here you are looking at. So this is what an ADR 10 average daily range, and this is what ADR 5 is the highest level which you are calculating. Then it is closed above the level, and from that level it giving you such a good move. So based on that, it is around 157 the closing price, that first 15 minutes candle, and from that it went up to 160. So almost 3 rupees move, but after that is very flat, and finally by closing hour it jumps to 162.35. And one more stock which I look based on this indicator is around B soft, not a B soft, I think Manappuram Finance. Sorry, Muthoot Finance. That is also I'm looking for. This one gives you such a good result from 1,377 and reaching to 1,418. Such a good move. So initially on the first 15 minutes itself, if any stock which closes about to that level, and after breaking the high, so that was giving you such a quick move. So maybe intraday or even short term quick scalping kind of trade, maybe we plan with this indicator, and stop loss maybe below to this ADR 5 or whichever is lower higher level. That is also we can plan, but we are not planning yet about a stop loss, how do we keep a stop loss for this trade. But whether this indicator is working or not, so that I'm just going to find out in today's live market. So these two stocks which I'm checking, and B stock is the one more one, and Birla Soft I'm just looking for today. And what I'm seeing that it is closed above the level, but there is a huge gap between that level. So from that higher level is around 623, but the stock in the first 15 minutes 634, almost 11 rupees higher from that level. So I don't want to focus. It is a huge, and even if I'm taking a trade and my stop loss may be very big, so that's why I ignored it. And this is also I seen in the morning almost Manappuram, Muthoot Finance, and Hindustan Copper. That is the one more stock which I have taken for in copper. That is also forming a such a pattern, and this is also huge. But after this level retracement from that point of 173, and it went up to maximum of 178. So 5 rupees move that was given you such a good opportunity from that point. So that is working better. Based on that breakout that happening on ADR average daily range, it is calculating for a last uh, 10 days average. We have 10 and 15 days average which you are taking for a study, and it is giving you the opportunity. And once it is given you the breakout, and it was moving well. So as of now, last 2 or 3 days study. Initially, I studied with this indicator. Now we created a customized indicator for this particular scanner, and we need to check how it is going to work for that we are going to plan. Okay, so that is the indicator which work based on the average range of a particular last 10 days. So it is not about ATR, it is ADR, average daily range. Some of the indicator ATR, average true range. This is not, it's a ADR, average uh, daily range. So based on that, we are deriving some level by using this indicator, and now we are going to complete that one in a charting. So already I have created a customized indicator, and this is the list of stocks where I find out based on this particular scanner. By the opening itself, I find out these are all the stocks. Like and Jubilant would also be there in the list. I find that these are all the stocks: Manappuram, Muthoot Finance, and Hindustan Copper, and we find out B Soft. So these are all the top list, and this is the list where I'm seeing is at an end of the day. But in the morning, so because I'm just looking for a first 15 minutes candle. Okay, so I'm just focusing only a first 15 minutes candle. If you are looking at the first 15 minutes candle, only this stocks, maybe this list would be never changed, because you can see this is the thing which you are looking for. It never repaints. So whenever it forms that first satisfying that condition, it will be same till end of the day. These are all the stocks which you are looking. And while we are looking at in the morning, so we find out this much of stocks. And I find out one more time Axis Bank, and that is also giving you such a good result. But I'm just testing with that. Axis Bank, it was not triggered, but it triggers after some time, and that is also I'm just checking. So if you wish, we can create this also, because we completed the customized indicator, so we can create n number of ideas. So from you can see from that point, it just keep on rising, and almost 1043. 1034, and went up to 1057. Such a good move on Axis Bank also, but I'm not coding this part, and this coding is only for those stocks. So for example, Info Edge, MRF, India Mart also forming like that. Info Edge, that means Nakuri. So this is also in the first candle. So then immediate quick move. So from 4668, from that level, from 30 points, 38 points, and then the reversal below to the level, maybe stop loss we are keeping, maybe it triggers, and then it reversal back. And some stocks like India Mart, Bharati Airtel also, I think it is a huge move. Bharati Airtel. So in the first candle, it never breaks the high, and instead of that reversing back, and it is also looking like a where we can see there is a point of breakout and reversal that can be possible. Here you can see reversal. So both the way we can utilize it. As of now, based on this scanner, so we find out that much of stocks. I tried for a one. I just we just planned for some opportunities in Manappuram. So that is also be done in Manappuram, so that giving you such a good result. And but the option price went more, but 1 rupee is good enough. 6,000 lot size in Manappuram. Show you, wait. So testing basis, I tried it, and this indicator is looks good and working better. But yeah, this is one. So Manappuram, so we took around 1.5 buying average, and closed around 2.4, so 90 paisa. That option which given you such a good result, almost quantity is high, five lots. I'm not suggesting you to take that much of lot, but based on the scanner, one stock for an intraday, that's good enough. So I find that this Manappuram, because it is the topmost stock in the 915 range. So after that, it given you the breakout, but the same strike price, which closed somewhere around 4 rupees plus. I think not a 4 rupees. I think it went more than 4 rupees. I'll show Manappuram option. The strike price 160. I think 150 or 160 Manappuram. Yeah, it's exactly 160 strike price. That was giving you such a good move. But most of the moves which is happening from the closing hours. But we are nearing to the expiry. And if you are trying for an ATM or OTM or ATM or ITM options, we need to pay high margin. So that's why I took a OTM option. So when the market is trading around 157, so 160 should be the OTM. The premium also be low, but the risk is very high. So you need to understand that risky. And from that, when it is reaching towards the 160, and that option moves more than 3.2, so sudden jump, and then it went on. So we closed with some good profit. Okay, so this is what an analysis, and this is not about only one line. So which we are already created the custom indicator. So based on this, so we can find out an opportunity. Maybe tomorrow is the expiry day. So we are not going to plan any trades. But so using this ADR indicator, I think it is working better in intraday. So we'll try to check in positional basis also. Once it is perfectly working, then we can make use of a lot of scanners by using this, because we already created the customized one and we can add it to one line. So same like that, which we can use for the stock which is down today. Okay, so ADFI and do. Okay, so this is what a down stock in the first 15 minutes. These are all the stocks. Look like a Tata Motor, whether it is breaks down or not. I think Tata Motor recovered. So that level act as a support in this case. The low of that particular first 15 minutes candle. This is the first 15 minutes candle. It never breaks. Maybe it act as a support, and from that support level, and it went up to huge. So both the levels, higher level or lower level, both we can combine with the trend of the market. So what is the overall market trend? So we can plan with that. Today for a positive market, so looking for a call side. When it is negative, so looking for a put side, and it's giving you such a good result and pullback from that level. And finally this is also moving towards 700 plus in Tata Motors, and previous to the breakout which is happening here, and the day before, there is yesterday around 9:45. But this is also I'm testing it, so how this level is working. So if this works better, then we can create a number of scanners with this indicator. So but this coding is available in charting. You can search with that, because it is not my code. One of my friend who shared this code, and I have created the charting, and this link also can be shared in the Telegram group. That is what our premium group. In ONGC, let me check ONGC what is happening today. Overall market is positive. ONGC showing a negative. Yes, look at this, and the lower level is broken, and the low of that particular candle is broken, 193, and it came down to 191 or 192. So that is also works, and yesterday that gives. So we need to check the breakout in after 9:15 also. But mostly I will be trying for a first 15 minutes candle to get an opportunity to find out a trade. Then it would be better for intraday. So I thought it may be working well. So I hope you enjoyed this session, and this indicator looks good, and that was giving you such a good opportunity for an intraday trade. So maybe if you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe the channel. And if you have any other questions and doubts, just comment in the comment box. And if you wish to take this my premium scanner group, you can also join my premium group. So one-time charges. So if you're interested, you just ping me on my WhatsApp number which shown on this video. Finally, this level is working better, and daily also we can plan for that this levels, so daily levels. Okay, so this is what based on daily. So we can use for monthly, weekly also. Maybe we need to check it. So once it works, then we can create many scanners based on this, or we can look for any time frame that crosses. So maybe many stocks which we are looking for, but it is a fixed one. It never give you any repaint. Maybe if you are looking at the same scanner yesterday, so Dr. Reddy, I think BPCL yesterday, a lot of stock BPCL. The top list we can try. So this is what a BPCL in the first candle that broken, and today it reaching towards 434. So this is also looking good. Okay, so if you wish, and you can search on this ADR indicator, and you can let me know how this works. Thank you for watching, and if you are new, kindly subscribe, and if you have any questions, just comment on the comment box. Thank you so much.